Here are the top things that make the Festool CARVEX jigsaw system so unique. First off, as a matter of personal preference, you can get the jigsaws with either a barrel grip or an over-the-top handle grip, and both can come in either corded or cordless versions, with the only major difference between the two being that the handle grip one has a trigger. Both versions have a switch right here that allows you to turn it on and off, and they both have the same on-off button on the other side, so you can switch it on and off no matter which hand you're using. And both versions have variable speed control right here that go from 1 to 5 and also have an automatic load sensing feature that will start the jigsaw off slow and then speed up once it engages with the material. They both have guards on the front which you can move up and down as needed. You can move this lever right here to adjust the guide bearing in the back, which will change the cutting pattern of your blade from straight up and down for the smoothest, cleanest cuts to one where the guide is set back a little bit, allowing you to do much faster but a little rougher cuts. To put the blades in, you slide them into the slot and then turn to click it in place. And then to pop the blades out, you use this lever right here, which you push forward, and the blades will pop out. These jigsaws also come with a dust port, which can easily be removed by pushing this button and sliding them out. And once the dust port is removed, you can now push this button to remove the base plate, which you can switch out for any of the different base plates Festool has for different materials you'll be working on. In addition to that, you can also pull this green lever right here, which allows you to take the base plate off and then use one of the other base plates that comes with the system. This one is an angled base plate that allows you to make angled cuts on either side all the way up to 45 degrees and in whatever shape you would like. And this one, when you clip it in, allows you to use it on one of the guide rail tracks, and it also now allows you to clip into this circle cutting guide, which has a built-in tape measure and pin allowing you to cut circles of all sizes. The CARVEX system also comes with replaceable splinter guards that fit right up near your blade to help you to get the cleanest splinter-free cuts you can get with the jigsaw. The jigsaws also come with 3 different light settings. The first one is a constant light that always stays on. The second one is a strobe light that is timed to the stroke of the blade, giving you greater visibility of the blade. And the last one is to have no light at all. With Festool, it's never just about the base tool. It's also about the entire system that comes with the tool, which gives you the flexibility to do so much more with just a single tool.